Hello riders, welcome back to Rider Fusion. Today we're diving into the incredible world of performance motorcycles with Suzuki's newest beast, the 2025 Suzuki CN Challenge GSX-R1000R. Let's get into it. Introduction. Suzuki has just unleashed a masterpiece for the 2025 racing season, the CN Challenge GSX-R1000R. Built to dominate the competition, this track-focused superbike is the latest evolution of Suzuki's legendary GSX-R series. With its cutting-edge tech, aerodynamic design, and unmatched power delivery, it promises to set new benchmarks. Design and aerodynamics. The CN Challenge GSX-R1000R boasts a refreshed, aggressive look with enhanced aerodynamic wings integrated into its sleek bodywork. Designed for optimal downforce and stability, it ensures a flawless connection between rider and machine, even at blistering speeds. Engine and performance. Under the fairings, Suzuki has pushed the limits with a 999 cubic centimeter inline-4 engine, producing a staggering 215 horsepower. Paired with a refined electronics package featuring a quick shifter, launch control, and multi-level traction control. The GSX-R 1000R offers precision handling like never before. Technology and features. The bike features a state-of-the-art TFT display, providing real-time data and customization options. Multiple riding modes, improved ABS, and cornering assist make this a beast that's as smart as it is fast. Suzuki Connect integration also allows riders to monitor performance stats via smartphone. Riding experience. With its lightweight frame and improved suspension setup, the 2025 CN Challenge GSX-R 1000R delivers razor-sharp handling and unparalleled agility. Whether it's carving through corners or blasting down straights, this machine is built to thrill. Conclusion. The 2025 Suzuki CN Challenge GSX-R 1000R is a statement of power, precision, and innovation. Whether you're on the track or dreaming about it, this bike is sure to leave an unforgettable impression. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to Rider Fusion, and stay tuned for more exciting content. See you in the next one.